Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Amal Suhail and I'm a student at Rehan School Foundation level batch 10 and today I'm with Mehreen Farooq. So could you give
Yes,
an introduction?
my name is Mehreen Farooq. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan, and I'm a pharmacist by profession. I graduated from University of Karachi, and now I'm going to apply for my Australian visa. That's why I'm
Oh,
preparing
that's
for my language test, language exam, English language.
okay. What gave you the idea to apply for an Australian visa?
It was a dream, long dream. I wanted to be a foreigner pharmacist. That's why I applied for Australian license exam, and I cleared that exam already. Now I am preparing for my language exam because that's a requirement also.
Oh, so you'll be a resident, like you'll be
I'm
your nationality turn into Australian.
it will take little time, but I'm a licensed pharmacist over there.
Licensed pharmacist?
Yes, because I have already cleared that exam of license now, Australian license exam. So they will show me a license to practice my pharmacy over there.
Oh, okay. So you're going for studies, basically.
No, no, for job purpose.
Job.
Employ.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Um,
Thank you.
what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are uh, I prefer watching series and dramas, movies, and also sometimes I read novels.
Okay, what kind of novels?
It could be any kind of novel. It could be in Urdu or English, and also some mangas type novels. I do read them.
What's your favorite one?
My favorite one is in Urdu. I hope you have heard about it. It's Jannat Ke Patte. I love that novel. That's so much.
Okay. Um, what was your favorite subject when you were in school?
My favorite subject was science
Why? Why was it science?
because I have always wanted to be a doctor. So I always preferred some subjects related to science somehow.
Okay, interesting. Um, you said you liked science, so like, what branch? Like biology, chemistry, or physics?
Biology because I wanted to be a doctor.
Okay. I don't like biology that much. I think physics is the best.
So I was never good at mathematics, so I preferred biology. Physics
Yeah,
had some kind of maths in it.
yeah, it does. True.
Yes.
Okay. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
As I said, right now I'm preparing for my language exam. Before that, I study and I cook and I sometimes I watch series, any kind of series.
Okay. What do you cook?
I cook almost every kind of food, whether it's Pakistani food or Western food or Italian. I
Hmm.
can cook.
What's your biggest inspiration?
My biggest inspiration is, you can say, my father because I look up to him and my mothers also because both of them were working uh, parents and I wanted to be like them. I also want to work and earn money for my family's future.
Hmm. Okay, that's nice.
They,
Sorry. Yeah.
no, no, you can ask.
Yeah, I was saying. Sorry, I forgot to ask. How old are you?
I am 33 years old.
Okay. And where do you live?
I live in Karachi,
Karachi. And you're gonna go to Australia.
inshallah. I'm hopeful.
Inshallah. Yes. Okay. So, what do you think your life would be in the next 15 years?
Maybe I will open my pharmacy in Australia That's a big dream. You can not say about your future that much, but my planning is to open up my personal pharmacy over there.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Um, if you could travel anywhere other than Australia, then where would you go?
I would go to Japan.
Where?
Japan.
Japan. Oh, okay. Why?
These
Why
days,
Japan?
because of all technology and their trains, I love their training system, and
Hmm.
I love their country. These days, I'm enjoying videos or vlogs of the people visiting Japan, so I'm quite interested in visiting there also.
Oh, okay. Okay. Interesting. Um, if you could build a dream place, then what would it be?
It would be, uh, I would say, so Makkah, Medina. I would like to be live in atmosphere like that, where there is a spirituality, and you can also say little bit of Istanbul, because
Hmm.
that
True.
city is surrounded by sea and all. I love visiting sea and enjoying
Yeah.
view of sea.
Yeah. True. Okay. If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
If I have a superpower, then I would go to my past, time traveling, and correct some
Oh,
few mistakes I've made in my life. That would
okay.
be
Like
the
what
superpower.
mistakes?
Sorry?
Like, sorry, you were talking.
Yeah, yeah. This
I was
it's
saying
a time.
yeah, yeah.
It's a time traveling, maybe because I would like to go in my past and correct my few mistakes that I have made in my past. Yes,
Would you like? Are you comfortable mentioning some mistakes so I could learn as well?
time waste. I would say. I think I have wasted a lot of time in my past that I could
Uh-huh.
have earned few things quite early in my life, in my 20s, that I'm doing in 30s.
Hmm. Okay,
So
I
that
get you.
could be a biggest.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm 13. Okay, like 1 3. I'm 13. So, would you give any
Oh,
advice for me?
I would I I would give you to go towards your dreams. They are achievable. Like I wanted to be a foreigner pharmacist when I was not your age, when I was getting into university. When I got to know that I'm admitted in pharmacy department of Karachi University. From that moment on, I always wanted to be a pharmacist in other countries. My dream was to be in Canada, to apply for Canada, but it was quite expensive exam over there. So I applied second option in Australia. So I would say everything is achievable. Do work hard and trust yourself. That is my advice to you. And
Thank
be
you.
happy. Be happy.
That's a really good advice. Okay. You mentioned series a few times that you watch series. What series do you watch?
Any kind of series. I can watch Korean series and I can watch Turkish, and I can also I'm interested in some few English series. The recent
Hmm.
one I have watched is From. I hope you have watched it or heard about it.
Which series?
From,
Sorry.
from.
From. Okay,
Have,
I don't know.
yeah, I have watched it.
Yeah.
It's about people who have died in that city. They are haunting people that are currently present over there. It's a good
Hmm.
series.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'll try. I'll search it up. Okay. Do you like playing sports or online games? If yes, then which ones?
I used to play sports. I'm not quite interested in online games. So when I was in school, I used to play basketball. I was quite good at it also. Basketball and running. I once
Mm.
also got selected for country level sport competition when I was in school. But then I slowly lost my interest in sports.
Oh, okay. So you never
Yeah.
thought of turning it into like a career?
Sorry, what did you ask?
You never thought of turning basketball into a career as you said you're good in it?
No, no. My biggest dream was to become a doctor or anything related to medical field.
Hmm, okay, okay. What is the hardest thing you've ever done?
Till today, to clear my
Yeah,
license exam, I guess, because it was hard. I had to
was hard.
study like 8 to 10 hours a day for that exam for at
Hmm.
least 2 to 3 months because I have very few months left for my exam. I applied late for that exam now. People,
Yeah.
the students start preparing for that exam at least 1 year before the exam,
Hmm.
and I just started 2 or 3 months before the exam, so I have to study for, I guess, 8 to 10 hours a day daily.
Oh, yeah, it
So
must
I
be
would
hard.
say that it was hard. Yes,
Yeah,
continuously studying and com- remembering things, memorizing things. I'm sorry.
yeah, it is hard.
It
Uh,
is.
do you think school is useful for children like me, like young children, like the young generation?
Yes, school is important because it somehow helps you develop your personality. When you meet a lot of your co-students, you make friends and you make groups of friends that can help you in many things, and you can also learn cooperation and coordination kinds of thing in school during school days. And the school days are the most beautiful, I mean, amazing days you can say in your life, because you are somehow way much relaxed than the life in your 30s or 20 late 20s. School days are
Yeah.
much better than university days, at least university. So you must go and must.
Yes, I agree. I agree. What's one problem you want to solve in this world?
One problem, I wish we have in Pakistan a lot of opportunities related to our fields and jobs, so that we could we should would not go to we wish everyone wants to be in their country, you know, with their parents
Mhm.
and siblings, but you have to leave to earn your certain dreams that are not jobs that are not provided in our country. So I wish if there was a system where students who are graduation after graduation they got easily employed, you know, employment would be tough in our country. So young generation decide or think to go out of the country for their job purposes. So I would say if there was a system where we can get employment easily in our country, there would I change in Pakistan at least.
Yeah, yeah. There's like there aren't many opportunities in Pakistan
Yes,
because
yes,
yeah, I used to live in Islamabad. Even though Islamabad is a developed city, it might be the
yes,
most
yes,
developed in Pakistan, but
yeah.
still, there's still like unemployment there. Even though it's really good. Like my dad used to work there, but then we had to come to Dubai because it wasn't enough. So yeah,
It's a show of all Pakistan, I guess, employment now,
yeah, it
and that's
is.
why people or young generation decides to go leave the country because they find better opportunities over there for in foreign countries.
Yeah. Exactly. Okay. If you had $1 million, what would you do with it?
$1 million, I would buy a house for my parents in Karachi at a
Hmm.
very comfortable location.
Yeah.
Like roads over here are not good, so I would say a comfortable environment plus comfortable roads and all these surroundings.
Yes. Okay. Do you think money buys happiness or not?
It can. Money can buy happiness. Not all the time, all the scenarios, but yes, you can. If you have a money, you can buy anything that comforts you, that makes you happy.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, yeah. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Why
Uh,
is it yellow?
because I used to love, love wearing yellow since my childhood. So I love color
Hmm.
yellow. I
Hmm.
don't know for how long I like love it, but I like yellow color.
Okay. Yellow might be one of my least favorite colors, honestly.
I don't know. I think I'm the only one who likes yellow. In my friends groups also, most of the
Yeah.
girls like pink color and all, but I prefer yellow color. I have always preferred yellow, or somehow black and white. These are three
Okay.
colors that I prefer to wear all the time.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. I like blue. My favorite color is blue.
Blue is also good. Yes, blue is also.
Hmm.
My least
Okay.
favorite one is pink.
Pink.
I don't know
I
why.
mean,
I don't know why.
I like pink. It's good. It's good.
That's- Lots of girls like pink color.
Yeah. What kind of? Do you listen to music?
I do. I do.
What kind of
Sometimes I
music?
do. It could be of Bollywood, Hollywood, or Pakistani songs also.
Okay. Who's your favorite singer?
Who's my favorite singer? I would say Arijit Singh. I love his music. I love the I love kind of music he make.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah. What's your daily routine? Can you tell like what you do in your whole day?
I wake up around 11 or 12, at 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. Then I have my breakfast, clean my house, and then I start studying. And in between that, I watch some series or that. And after in afternoon around 7 p.m., I start cook for my family, and then I study for few hours, and then go to sleep. Also use sometime mobile. Scrolling
Okay. Yeah.
mobile is also.
Yeah. What's your favorite social media platform?
It would be Instagram, and I prefer Instagram over Facebook.
Yeah.
Yes.
Same. I don't even have a Facebook account other than this Rehan's
Uh,
post.
uh,
And
no, I do. I also don't have a Facebook account. I used to have, but I deleted it because everyone is on Facebook. You find every person, single person in Facebook, now on Facebook. So I
yeah.
switched to my Instagram account instead of Facebook.
Hmm. Okay. Do you have a pet?
Sorry?
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have. But I would
If
like to have a cat.
a cat.
Cat. Yes, a cat.
So that's your favorite animal?
You can say that. If I don't like particularly like animals, but if I wish to have a pet, then I would have, it would have been cat.
Hmm. Okay. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is nihari. Pakistani, you can say Pakistani cuisines. But
Yeah.
if you want specific, then it would be nihari.
Okay. Um, what's your biggest goal this year?
To to clear my English exam, language exam, and then go
Um,
apply for Australian visa. At this moment,
hmm,
I think about this that goal of mine. So it would be
yeah.
to clear my English exam and apply for Australian visa.
Okay. Okay. What's one fun fact about yourself?
Sorry,
What's one fun fact about yourself?
fun fact. I think I have a little bit good humor. I guess
Good
sometimes
humor.
I'm not someone who speaks a lot, but when I do, I should make sure that uh, I leave impact on the next person to me with my humor. Yes.
Tell a joke then.
I can remember this moment. Humor in a kind it depends on my situation, you know.
Yeah,
When you
yeah,
are
I know.
communicating with friends, then you are talking about some topic and suddenly you crack a little joke. That's kind of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Uh, what's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory could be my school when I was in one or two class. And then we shifted to Karachi. Before we used to live in our village. That school was I had my best memories over there. Like we used to go with our cousins and we used to play and eat lunch together. Those were days I remember the most. We used to play in the evening together. Uh, that we had somehow lost when we shifted to Karachi because all my family is in Hyderabad. They are not in Karachi.
Hmm. How do you remember first and second grade? Even I don't
Sorry,
remember mine. How do you remember
I
first and second grade?
I do remember because you know when you uh, have certain good memories, you always remember your good days and bad days. When
Hmm.
you become mature in your 20s, late 20s or 30s, you will realize that you are too young. You are 13, sorry, you are 13 now.
Yeah, yeah,
You are too young to say that, but people of my age knows what are they have experienced all kind of days, so they
hmm.
recall them uh, very clearly.
Yeah. I agree. So what's one last advice you would like to give to everyone?
To you,
To everyone watching the audience.
to everyone, I would say be happy and enjoy your life and your goals, whatever your goal is, and to work hard for them, to earn them, and be happy. Thus, you will. It will be easy to achieve your goals when you are happy. You can't study while having lots of tensions and depressions around you. So be happy and work for yourself.
Okay, that was thoughtful advice. And
Thank
thank
you.
you, Mehreen Farooq, for giving your time. And this
Yeah.
was it. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you.